making an argument for regulatory prices for fuel, I think is sadly disappointed.
Filling up your tank is getting cheaper after a steep drop in oil prices, and that has critics questioning if a consumer carbon tax would even work. They're made to sway Canadians away from the pumps, but global factors driving prices down have many taking advantage and guzzling more gas.
Prices could drop by up to 8 cents on Tuesday across Alberta, according to analysts who say some gas stations could be selling for 78 cents a litre. Vancouver could also see an 8-cent drop, while Toronto prices could slide by as much as 10 cents. So how effective would a tax at the pump be in this environment?
It's not efficient. It certainly isn't going to reduce consumption, especially if you're rebating people the exact same, or in some instances, as it's being sold, more than what they're actually winding up paying. I don't see where the incentive is there. And in fact, the number is too small to really have any meaningful impact.
McTagg says it will take a little longer for prices to drop in provinces that don't have their own consumer carbon tax. Alberta is in the middle of challenging its levy in court. Premier Jason Kenney says new emissions regulations and levies on industry would be a cheaper route to addressing climate change. North American stock markets regained some of the ground lost Monday when they crashed amid a collapse in oil prices. On Tuesday morning, the Canadian dollar traded below the U.S. average from just the day before. McTagg warns with a main export resource down,
it means that the Canadian dollar loses value. It means our purchasing power is diminished. It means the cost of everything else begins to rise artificially, and very much in the way that most people don't even take into account when they see lower gas prices.
In Calgary, Crystal Ladaris, City News.